In today's video, we're going to show you how to install a new knob on your timer. To put your knob back on your washer, you have to identify as to whether or not yours is a one-piece knob and skirt, or possibly like this one, it's two. If it's two, you have to install your skirt first, and it just basically slides on your shaft of the timer, rotate it till it lines up and slides on. This one also has a little washer that goes on the shaft first. Some have them, some don't, just depends on the manufacturer. Just pop that into place. Push your knob into place and just thread it on. Now your timer knob may be different than this one. Yours may just put right onto the timer shaft itself. Your timer shaft may have a flat spot that you just line up with the hub of your timer knob, maybe a little metal band around it to help hold it tight. Whichever style you have, just follow through in that same process you would have removed it. And again, once you're done, you're going to want to plug your machine back in and you should be good to go.